to facts or frauds.
Yep, Mr. Hazeltine, are you able to turn on your microphone?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Okay, it looks like you missed your hearing on July 16th, just a few days ago.
I am, without recourse, sui juris, in propria persona, the living man, and not representing the incorporated Ty Warren Hazeltine entity. I am the affiant of the affidavit of truth filed in this case, April 26th, appearing specially and not generally under threat, duress, and coercion to correct the mistaken identity misnomer of the defendant, and notice this court to dismiss this case sui sponte for failure of joinder, failure to serve the complaint, failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted, and lack of jurisdiction.
Yeah, and the judge heard...
What?
And I have some questions before I feel comfortable with this court moving forward. Has someone entered a plea on behalf of the defendant?
All right, I'm not going to be able to address this case unless I have assurances that the defendant, Ty Hazeltine, is the person here, and I'm hearing a lot of nonsense that doesn't address directly, that rather obfuscates the clarity on who you are. If you're not Ty Hazeltine, then you're a spectator and you're welcome to stay. If you are Ty Hazeltine, I'll address your warrant, but I will address no other issues in this hearing because this hearing is limited to quashing warrants and setting court dates. So are you Ty Hazeltine?
Does the caption of this case not say Ty Warren Hazeltine in all capital letters?
Your Honor, I can speak with Mr. Hazeltine in a breakout room if you'd prefer, or...
Well, he's not represented by counsel and hasn't been throughout this case.
He's refused counsel.
Yeah. If you're Ty Hazeltine, just tell me that. If you're not, then I'm going to let you spectate for the rest of the court calendar until we're done.
I am the affiant of the affidavit of truth. And if you look at the affidavit, it will clarify who it is that I am. There are two.
Okay. All right. I've muted your microphone. It appears to me that you don't claim to be Ty Hazeltine. So I'm going to strike Ty Hazeltine's hearing and the matter will be, the warrant will be left outstanding. And Heidi, no one is eligible to appear on Zoom in this case. They have to apply in person for a warrant quash. All right, and sir, you're free to remain and watch the rest of the calendar. We're going to go on to other people who are here.
Eric Williamson.
The authorized representative for Eric Williamson is here.
Say again, sir.
The authorized representative for Eric Williamson is present.
Are you Eric Williamson?
I'm the authorized representative for him.
Okay, so are you an attorney?
No.
Okay, so the authorized representative who's speaking on behalf of Eric Williamson, what is your name for the record?
I'm the trustee for the Revocable Living Trust of Eric Williamson.
So you are Eric Williamson and you are the trustee as well as the beneficiary of the trust?
Correct.
So Mr. Williamson, I just want to know what to call you because I'm not going to say beneficiary of the trust for Eric Williamson every single time I need to address you, just for ease of talking to people. So Mr. Williamson, I have you here for LBNB Funding LLC in case 24020487. Who do we have?
Good morning, Your Honor. Suzanne Barta.
Mr. Barta, good morning. I'm gonna...
If you have to, Your Honor, I will.
All righty. I'm gonna put the two of you into a breakout room where perhaps you can discuss this matter set for a bench trial today. I think I might have to set. I think I might have to set this for an in-person just so I know who I'm dealing with for identification purposes. But
it's also set for a plaintiff's motion for summary disposition, Your Honor.
That is also correct. So that's why I'm going to put the two of you in the breakout room 4, see if there's any resolution. So let's see. Mr. Barty, you had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Williamson. Was there any resolution in the matter?
There was not, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this for an in-person bench trial. Make sure we have all the witnesses and everything you guys are going to bring. Let's look at a date. Looking at the date of August 9th. All right, so we'll do the trial date's going to be August 9th, and that'll be in person.
Well, you gotta give them credit.
Why is that?
Well, they're gonna keep on doing it till they get it right.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.